Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Cognizant announced the 20,000 freshers hiring in 2025. Cognizant to hire 20,000 freshers in 25, doubles freshers hiring in 25. CEO say company plans to hire more graduate. It is a breaking news. Like and share the video as well as apply for opportunity which we are sharing. This is the active hirings from Cognizant. Okay, first of all we will discuss about news. It is posted on Mint platform. Cognizant to hire 20,000 freshers in 25. It is on Economics Time. Cognizant to hire 20,000 freshers. Times of India. Cognizant doubles plans hire in 2025. CEO say company plans to hire more graduate. Good news for job seeker as this IT firm to hire 20,000 freshers in 2025. North Ratan Tata, TCS, Narayan Murthy, Infosys, the company is Cognizant. Okay, so the thing is it is a biggest opportunity. First of all, 2025 engineering graduate Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro hiring is active. Second is trainee related hiring is active, in which you are from 22, 23, 24 batch BCA, BSc you can apply. Suppose you are from technical degree BE, BTech and you are from 21 to 24 batch. So you can apply for programmer analyst hiring, 0 to 3 years of experience in React JS. Okay, so it is one of the biggest news. As we know that in the January to March phase, okay, in the January to March phase, Cognizant announced the 2024 mass hiring, that is for the Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro role. Okay, the salary is 4 LPA, 6.75 LPA and 5.4 LPA. Okay, same after the March, in the April month, Cognizant announced the 2025 mass hiring. Okay, that is related to Gen Z Next and Gen Z Pro, and the salary is same. This time Cognizant mentioned Cognizant plans to hire 20,000 freshers this year, more than double the previous year intake to reshape its talent pyramid and support AI-led software development. CEO Ravi Kumar S. Sir emphasizes talent amplification, focus on AI upskilling and improving workforce utilization. The IT services giant Cognizant has revealed its plans to hire 20,000 freshers this year. This number is more than double the amount hired in the previous year. Means ये double amount में hiring हो रही है इस साल. Okay, that's why they posted the multiple opportunity on the career portal as well, on the Superset as well. It is one of the biggest great news. Cognizant CEO Ravi Kumar S. Sir revealed the company plan to hire 20,000 freshers. They clearly mentioned that. Okay, and Cognizant is now focusing on 3 areas: hiring fresher, increasing productivity through AI and improving utilization to manage human capital cost effectively. It is a great news, and Cognizant team mentioned this. As we state at our investor day, we are hiring 20,000 freshers as part of our strategy, which is more than double what we did last year. But it is also come equally an overhead of carrying higher bench at lower cost and actually off share. सो AI रिलेटेड हायरिंग्स भी यहाँ पर होने के चांसेस है. द थिंग इज द स्किल्स बेस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर ऑल्सो देयर. ओके, दे आर इंक्रीजिंग द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ दैट. Okay, so what this is the news that is related, and I am giving the sources of this news. Okay, you can directly read about this news that is related. Okay, but what about the hirings? As I already said that 24 बैच के लिए उन्होंने hiring announce कर दी थी. Currently for the 22, for the 23 batch, you are from 3-year courses, BSc, BCA, trainee hiring is ongoing. Okay, for the 21 to 2024 batch, the programmer analyst trainee hiring is ongoing. It is on career portal. Okay, and for the 2025 batch, Superset hiring is ongoing. So this time Cognizant performs very well, because पिछले लास्ट साल में 22 ईयर देख लो, 23 ईयर देख लो, 24 ईयर देख लो. इन द लास्ट 3 ईयर्स Gen Z नेक्स्ट, ओके, Gen Z नेक्स्ट एंड Gen Z प्रो की तरह कोई हायरिंग नहीं आई थी जो कि इस साल 2025 ईयर में आई है. एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो इट इज़ अ ग्रेट न्यूज़ गाइज, एंड अप्लाई फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी विच वी आर शेयरिंग. आर मोस्ट मेन इंपॉर्टेंट एम इज you will get the best opportunity. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.